Hi everyone, welcome back. It's me again, the one, the only master designer, Kyle Freeman Avina. Back to draw another one of the best designs the universe has ever seen. In this video, we're gonna draw xeno vegetto from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. That's right, folks. You've seen me draw Vegetto before in the past, but this time I'm gonna draw it right. I'm gonna draw the Xeno version of him, the one from the Super Dragon Ball Heroes. When Xeno Goku and Xeno Vegeta combine, they become Xeno Vegetto using the help of the Vitaras. I've seen him transform in many different ways, starting with Super Saiyan Kaioken. Now that's a strong power-up. Can't wait to see him in action again. And can you believe his limit break form? Awesome! Definitely worth it. His ear and his nose. There we go. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam. We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam. Light burst from all the ring, let's get sparking. First we're getting pumped, then we clash. Winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, set is set. Here's the lines under his eyes. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale that grows when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. There we go. Now we just draw the Patara on his ear. Same thing with the other side. Alright, hearts are gonna beat with a boom. After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry, just a bit. But we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core. Always energized for the goal, ready to never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we get it pumped, then we clash. Winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath. Here's his six-pack of abs. Focusing for sure, side is set through the universe, and it stretches. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. There we go. It's a tale of the cosmos when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Here's his arm.
Here's I'll Be There For You, theme from Friends by the Rembrandts on Amazon Music.
Here we go.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your life's the way.
There we go.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
arm, and here's his belt. Now we just draw his pants.
No one could ever know me. No one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even if I was the best friend. Yeah.
Here we go.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, even your year. I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Go.
I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you.
Now, last up is his arm here.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
And there he is. That's how you draw Xeno Vegetto from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Yep, this is him, alright. Anyways, glad you guys got to see me draw this guy. This guy's perfect. Anyways, that's how you draw Xeno Vegetto. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.